Hi guys, today we're gonna be picking.
Hello?
What's the name again?
Mulberries.
I'm too short.
Wow. O sige.
I'm too short.
Wait. Diyan lang, stay lang dyan.
Let's see.
Oh,
Okay.
pick na siya.
What is that white thing?
Wala eh. Uy, ayaw. O, yan o. Pick mo.
You just put it on my head. There's so many.
Buyag. Yan, kunin mo yan.
There's a lot.
Ito pa, yung dalawa. Huwag na yung isa kay kain na yan ng ano. Ito oh.
This. How about this?
Yan. Yung dalawa.
Double talk.
Yan na.
Okay.
Ang dami pa. Show Lobby. Wow.
My hands got juice on it.
Andun pa yung iba.
You get the.
Ayan oh, ito.
Our mulberries are growing very good lagi.
Ayan oh.
But not our blueberry pa good. What?
Ayan ang ating mulberries.
I'm going to put this.
Sa baba.